I think we're live. Maybe we're not live. I don't know. It says we're live. It says the connection is excellent. I don't see the video. There it is. Listen to myself real quick. Dude, my voice sounds sweet. Shit. This is working. All right, let's just try it. I might post this later, guys. I might not. I might edit it first. Might send it to my editor. Um, Today we're making a dashboard. It's 0.frames. I think we're good. Yeah, today we're making a dashboard for my assistant. She works a lot on stuff, and so she's been getting overwhelmed by tasks lately, and we have like Notion and GitHub and stuff, but I like having everything in one place, and it's a little bit redundant and stupid, but I am rebuilding this dashboard in in um, in my own platform. So let's do it. So I have all these different pages here that I've already been building. They're all working pretty well so far. Some of them took, a lot of automation and time. Some of it's done with Python. Some of it I coded myself. Some of it I'm using Lovable, right? Some of it I have N8N on the back end doing automations for. So it's like a mix of a lot of things, right? So right now I'm currently working on the task functionality, as I mentioned. So we're going to go down here and we're going to, first of all, the styling is a little shitty. It's not quite what it needs to. So like change. Yeah, for some reason, Lovable doesn't really like using components, even if you set it to use components, So kind of annoying, but is what it is. Okay, so simple stuff. We're gonna do just some simple changes. It doesn't use the purple thing. And sometimes Lovable just doesn't change things right, I've noticed. But it is what it is. You're right, looking at it, the color is wrong. There we go. Beautiful. Add task, task title, description, daily task, weekly task, one. Weekly task is great, but we need like a due date. Right, cool. So I want to add some functionality to be able to assign people to tasks. This is purely for the content team, me and 3 other people. It's relatively small, but I'd like to get some people in here to use it. Right now the only person using this is my assistant Belle, right, and me. But I'd like to get the video editors up in here using it a little bit too. They have their own system built out in Notion, which is different than this. And I was thinking about rebuilding that, but it's just going to be a little bit way too complex. Audio bitrate is not good. Can you guys hear me? If you guys can hear me, then it's fine. Yeah, you guys can hear. Cool. So we're adding due dates and stuff. And now this is like a streak thing. You guys. You guys have questions, Pop them in the chat. See what's going on. I mean, I obviously didn't schedule this, so this is the first time we're going live on the channel. We're just testing it out. Cool. But I think it has some sort of import error. It loaded that time. Beautiful. So now we can add a task. Select day of the week. That's good. One-time task. Pick a day. Let's just test it. Test title. Test description. Create task. Looks good. Checkbox needs it. Beautiful. What happens if I check this? Crossed out. Should have tabs, you know, I think too. Is that a weekly task with day as a due date? Doesn't say when the due dates are. Okay. Yeah, so coding is slow. You guys will probably see me flip back and forth between using Lovable, actually coding, doing some init and doing some Python. Oh, we'll see. Play in live. Play hola. Cámara saca. Cool. So now we have due dates. I think it looks a bit ugly though. Let's show it. This has weeks. That's details page. You can also show the streaks by that. Cool. Seems like the stream is running really well. We have not dropped any frames. Man, it's so great to have good internet. When I was a kid streaming, dude, like I dropped so many frames and I just had to like optimize the stream to be able to only stream off of like 700 kilobytes a second and shit. And my internet was like dropping out sometimes. Now I've got like 1 gigabyte connection and I can do like, it's like kind of weird. Weird. I grew up in a time where it took like a week to, that was like, you know, like 5 gigs or something, you know, or less. Up like 700 megabytes maybe. Funny. Watch it write code too. You guys want, I can explain to you what this code is. There's like different files. Sick. Yeah, I think I might do this like once a week or something. There you go. Really like this page. One shouldn't display certain. Pretty good. This one sucks. That is completed, created. Ooh, when move the description. Oh no, that's fine. Remove the. Task list view. Hmm. 128 kilobytes per second. See what we can do there. Nowhere to change that thing. I'll look at it later. Beautiful. Yeah, now it's looking better. All right. One thing at a time. You got to do tiny things. If you do big stuff, then it gets confused. Beautiful. I like that. That's interesting. Like daily, whatever. Um, daily ones shouldn't display on Sundays. Okay. Let's see. How do we want it? We want like what? Sunday grayed out. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday grayed out. So Sunday should be the first con. Okay, so on the daily task details pane, day the first day. Saturday the last column. Right. Also blue. Because it doesn't count. Get some day names. Beautiful. See what that does. Curious. Honestly, this page looks pretty good though. Really digging it. Really digging it. I'm also doing project management on this screen for you guys. Hey Shiva, what's up? Thanks, I appreciate that, man. Appreciate it. Does it have? Okay, the columns don't match up. Okay, so he said, did the IPs? Cool. Sorry, gotta be able to multitask. Sometimes it's good to focus. But we're launching an app we've been working on for like 2 years and some change, and for a client of ours, and yeah, we're in beta testing right now, and there's just a lot of people on the system. There's like a lot of bugs and stuff, and so I'm like getting reports of bugs from the owner and some of their team, and some of the people using the system. Over here, I'm like, hey guys, we've got this bug that's like kind of important. We need fixed now, So I'm doing that on the other screens, building this. Um, yeah. Oh, you're also learning some React. You should do that. You should totally stream every. I'll jump in. We'll do some React here in a minute if you want. It's just a little bit easier to do Lovable. I'm not very good visually, right? But I have designers. But I'm pretty all right at code. I wouldn't say I'm like amazing. My guys are definitely much better than me. I would say I'm better at Python, but my React is wants to refactor. I think that's fine. Smaller files are better. All of them. Beautiful. Yeah, I think streaming while you learn is a good idea. Just don't be pressured to stream. Learning is more important, I would say. What are you coding right now? Is there like a project specifically you're working on? Or is it just doing random stuff like exercises on YouTube and whatever? Okay, I refactored it. Hopefully it didn't break. This one looks good. I like this one. This one's awesome. This one, oh, looks ugly. It Sometimes when I say this, it works. So let's see. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. Yeah, I mean, for an impromptu stream I didn't plan on doing today, I think that going kind of well. Still haven't dropped any frames. Good. Beautiful. Okay, that's better. What is this? Oh, one time. Okay. That little badge is not that good. This looks good. We need an X too to close it. Oh shit, it changed this. Actually, that doesn't look bad either. Um, okay. Interesting. I mean, honestly, it doesn't look that bad. I think it could be a little bit better though. Okay, let's make it visible, baby. Gotta check something real quick. Watching, beautiful. Fine, we're gonna keep. Okay, so it said it fixed the pill visibility, and it did. I still like this. Looks great. I like this. Um, looks better than the last one. The statistics looks pretty good. Um, I think it could look a little bit better. This top part, I'm just not convinced about. This is still broke. Okay. We're gonna make that beautiful. Make it a lot more beautiful. Yeah. Okay, the statistics, I like this though. Nice. Good. Writing. If this is true, show that. I was thinking about planning a big live stream where I do like I just build like an app, like a little bit of Python, a little bit of init and a little bit of Lovable. It's a little bit of everything, you know. This is better. Still broke. I think I might have to fix it on um that's total. Can you change it? Let's see. Man, how long have I been streaming? 24 minutes and people have watched this for more minutes. I've been streaming? That's weird. If you think about that, that's really weird. Uh, okay, updated task type badges. Better. Still is not visible. Okay. And I should put music. How are the rules with music and just gonna grab it. Hold on. Fixes myself. Gone. I'll let it try one more time. If it doesn't work, I'll do it myself. Okay, it says it's done. Not done, obviously. Okay, let's fix it myself. Lovable sometimes sucks. Not gonna lie. Open it in cursor actually. Different. Oh man, which one is it? The right project. I don't think this is the right. No, this is so many projects. Double check. Well, content. This one. 75. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. This is the right project. Here we go, guys. Okay, so we're here. Grab a terminal. Go npm run dev. I have to install some stuff. Local. Here. We're signed in. Beautiful. Here's my YouTube statistics, guys. You guys want to see it? This has more data than YouTube does. It's just a couple days behind. Anyways, doesn't matter. Go over the tasks. We're looking good. What are we editing? Changing this. Actually going to. I believe pages, wording, task, this Is details open? Has details. And this one. I believe this is the one we're looking for. That's not title test. Double check here. Show you guys. I have so many screens. I sometimes will do stuff on other screens and I'm not used to streaming, so um let's do next. It's weird though because it doesn't have like a task. Task name is right. Where is the testing? Okay, so it's below that. Got it. Okay. So task info, task type. Here we are. So if it's once background white. Why would it be background? Doesn't make this. That looks like push the page. Shh. Order light gray shadow. Let's just test. See if that goes up. Didn't show up any. Weird. Show here. It's weird. Why is it not? Just here. Goes down there. Okay. Okay. So it's got to be in here then. Yeah, and here it is. Has background blue. Honestly, just like the purple on all of them. We'll just copy this for all of them. More uniform styling. Go back here. Fresh. Now they all are white. Ah, funny. Because there's no purple. Let's double check. Yeah, see, now it's blue. That's funny. Okay, okay. I have, I think, global styling somewhere. Colors. I think I want. Is my main. Yeah, that's better. Beautiful. Okay, so now they're all main. Yes, they have to change. Yeah, I want like that looks like shit. That's the task detail or the task list view. Task and loading your tasks or loading tasks. There we go. Task list. Task item. On top on it. And default secondary outline. Colors here. All of them. Nice. Text to white. Yeah, that looks better. Now for some reason, two of them highlight, one of them doesn't. Weird. Um, good though. I guess I don't see why not. Try dark. Is that what it is? A dark purple, and then we'll go here. I think it's got to be capital. Weird. Looks good though. It's on hover state. Okay, so turn badge variant, test type, class name, colors, test text. Doesn't have an on hover though. Down here, this is the card. Buttons. So it's right here. Checkbox. Okay, wait. So it goes checkbox, name, badge. Here's a name, task type badge. Yeah, it's just a function. This doesn't have an on hover either. Why then? But here, gotta be here. I don't see where the hover state is changing. It's really Estoy grabando. Estoy en vivo. Tem mais você tá, né? Um, yeah, I don't see where this is grabbing the hover state. Try refreshing the page. What's that? Click here. Hover. It's right here, and it's on. Yeah, it's on the badge. Oh, that's well. I mean, we're using cursors. So let's just check out here. I don't know where the hover state's coming from. Oh yeah, I've done that too. I guess that's the more obvious. It's kind of a hacky way of doing things. Have to do that, but that's fine. Try that out. Of course, that. But it's saying here the hover state is defined in the Commons base styles using VA. Oh, okay. Yes. That's fine. Okay, so this is off of a component that badge yeah, the hover's gone now. Okay, now this text is ugly, so let's change it. Change it. We're back to task item. Title. We're gonna change this to an H1. There are some things I don't like about cursor, and this. Yeah, they changed the. Oh yeah, let's do H2. I big. Big. Can I put like one? I'm very good at two. Usually do. I think it's quick at it. Also learning at cursors. Why it's not. Yeah, and CSS. Oh yeah, no, that's beautiful. Okay, that's much better. Sweet. Yeah, I will be back in one. Alright, we're back. We're back. Sorry about that. Okay, so now it's starting to look a lot better. Starting to look pretty good. Uh, this page I still don't quite like. It says weekly twice, which so let's go. It's on that. Honestly, I don't do the get past edge past I can delete that. Cause an error right here. Don't need that. Better. This description. Where? Oh, if description is true, like this weird path. It's true. See that either. Interesting. Okay, let's just test here. Make sure we're in the right spot. Okay, so low left X. Bottom. This one has Y3. Nothing's the credit post. Try that. Pastry. Okay, I see it. This 1 day streak should be here, right? Honestly. So have this. Where we're looking for. It's I always try to save stuff on notepads just in case you need them, you know? Right on. Let's go. Honestly, this whole thing looks. I think we can put these side by side. Should be a due date up here at top too. Oh, but it. Well, I mean, we fixed some stuff. Let's push this real quick. I thought we fixed a bunch of small things. That level. Okay, beautiful. So, yeah, now we're looking better. Okay. Tasks, beautiful. Weird that it was bold on my. Okay. Okay. Checkbox still looks like. I will get caught up on small things all the time. I like those checkboxes a little bit better. That's title text bold. Yeah. That looks so much better. Oh yeah, that looks beautiful. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay, this still better of the taking much. Uh, should. Yeah, because this is taking way too much space. We don't need that much space for that much information. You know, this information is much more. Things are looking bad. Okay, it says it's more compact. I like that, but oh yeah, dude, that looks good. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Um, we're gonna add this. We're gonna jump back over to the React side, and we're gonna edit that real quick. We're gonna make this part up here move up here, which might be harder than it seems. So much better. We're gonna make the modals a little bit bigger too. Don't need to be quite so small. This needs to go up here. Really nice. All right, so it's going to replace full time. Let's see if it works. Please. Now we have a beautiful model. Yeah, it's looking better. See? Icon. Beautiful. We need some sort of like vibe music. Okay, let's check it out. It looks better. That X mark is not quite displaying right. I'm gonna just remove. It's a bad idea. Have I dropped any frames? No. Like we're doing well. So we all the way to here. A little bit better for you guys. All right. Move the close icon. Beautiful. All right, so now we've got single task, which is here. Beautiful. Weekly tasks. Okay, we're getting there. Ooh, doo, doo. Okay, beautiful. Does that work for dailies? Yeah. Now we're looking good. Okay, let's see. Now I should be able to check and uncheck days. That's the next functionality. And then we got to be able to assign this to people. Then we gotta do tabs too. You gotta do 4 tabs, like today, this week, right? And then completed, right? So we don't display completed tasks. And then yeah, assign people. And then I think we're done with this functionality. So hopefully Belle will like it. We'll see. Okay, so now I should be able to. It did not work. Oh, it did work. Just slow. That's really weird. Okay. When I select a day, on reoccurring tasks, right? Reoccurring tasks does not update the modal state to the new state. Yeah, we'll see what it. Okay. That the model was using stale data from when it was open rather than fresh data. Yeah, like use effect. Look at it. Let's see if it used the use effect. It didn't. Open, close on play task. Let's see. Yeah, updates everything. That's nice. So okay, now we gotta assign it to people, right? So, or let's do the tabs first and then assign to people. Okay, I need to have some weekly tasks. I guess all tasks first, right? All tasks, weekly tasks. This week. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see what happens. Hopefully the tabs don't look like crap. They might. I guess now that we have to assign tasks to people, I should probably give people the option to upload their own photos, right? So that, their little photo pops up on the task. Probably nice. Those are small details that don't really matter, but okay. All tasks this week, reoccurring, sync completed. Okay. Okay. All completed tasks should only be displayed in the completed tab, even if it's reoccurring. So just wait until the next day and then display in. Okay. Let's see. And these tabs look, I mean, I can't tell I can click on it. You know what I mean? They need to look better. Okay, let's check it out. Create a tab. That's kind of nice. Ooh, I like this. I just need um the main purple. Okay, let's see. So this will be purple. Yeah. All right, cool. Now we've got this. This looks good. Ooh, the create task. The create task modal. Create button. The main. Let's see if it works. Okay, okay. Let's see. And yeah, that looks much better. Okay. Now it's filtering. Great. Let's make the tabs look better. Okay, let's see. Do, 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 do. Okay. I mean, I like it, but it's not obvious you can click on them. Make it obvious you click on. Holy crap. So many employees and clients are messaging me right now. Okay, it's still not obvious you can click on it. Let's see, I have to do this one myself. Eh, it looks worse. Let's go back. Let's go back. Actually, guys, I think I'm gonna cut the live right now. I have to eat. I haven't eaten all day. Feel like I'm gonna pass out. So I'll see you guys later. Peace.